Hello guys, welcome to SKN Education Studio. In this video, we will go through the previous question paper and the solutions of chapter 3. First question, which of the following ions is attracted towards the cathode? Options, chloride ion, oxide ion, fluoride ion, sodium ion. Answer is sodium ion. All other ions are negative ions. Second question, when molten sodium chloride is electrolyzed separately, which substance is obtained at the anode? And what is the energy chain taken place in an electrolytic cell? Answer is chlorine, and the energy changes electrical energy to chemical energy. Third question, gold is coated over a copper spoon by electrolysis. And what is the name of this process? The process is electroplating, which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Answer is gold. Which is the electrolyte used here? Answer is a mixture of gold cyanide and sodium cyanide solution. Fourth question, in a galvanic cell of iron and copper, which metal acts as anode? Answer is iron. Fifth question, which metal among the following vigorously reacts with a dilute HCl? Option iron, zinc, magnesium, lead. And write the chemical equation. Answer is magnesium. And the chemical equation is Mg plus 2HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. Sixth question, metal like gold and platinum are found in the native state in the earth crust. Why? Answer, because they are less reactive metals. Seventh question, which is the electrolyte used to electroplate silver? Answer is mixture of silver nitrate solution and silver cyanide solution. Eighth question, energy change in galvanic cell? Answer, chemical energy to electrical energy. Ninth question, which metal is deposited at cathode when molten NaCl is electrolyzed? Answer is sodium. 10th question, which is the electrolyte used in copper electroplating? Answer is copper sulfate solution. 11th question, when molten NaCl is electrolyzed, which gas is liberated at the anode? Answer is chlorine. 12th question, write down a practical utility of electrolysis other than electrolysis. Answer is refining of metal. 13th question, in the process of electroplating copper on an iron bangle, the bangle is connected to which terminal of the battery? Answer is negative. 14th question, select the oxidation reaction from the given equation. And the equations are Cu2 plus 2 electrons gives Cu. Second one is Zn gives Zn2 plus 2 electrons. And the answer is Zn gives Zn2 plus 2 electrons. Next question, which metal oxide and how does oxidation number changes? Answer is oxidation number increases. 15th question, when a zinc rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution, the following observations are found. First observation is copper is deposited on zinc. Second observation is the intensity of the color of copper sulfate solution decreases. First question, which metal is more reactive? Answer, zinc. Second question, explain the reason for second observation. Answer, the blue color of copper sulfate is due to the presence of Cu2 plus ions. During the reaction, the copper ion deposited on the zinc rod. This leads to decrease the concentration of Cu2 plus ions. So the intensity of the color of solution decreases. Third question, write the chemical equation of the reaction. Answer, CuSO4 plus Zn gives ZnSO4 plus Cu2 plus. 16th question, a galvanic cell is constructed by silver electrode and copper electrode. Reactivity of copper is greater than silver. First question, what is the energy change taking place? Answer is chemical energy to electrical energy. Next question, give the direction of flow of electron. Answer is from copper to silver, that is anode to cathode. Next question, which is the cathode? Silver is the cathode. Next question, write the chemical equation of the reaction at anode. Answer is Cu gives Cu2 plus 2 electrons. 17th question, which of the following metals react with hot water? Au, Cu, Eg, Mg. Answer is Mg, magnesium. Next question, a galvanic cell is constructed using magnesium and copper as electrodes. The reactivity of magnesium is greater than copper. First question, what is the energy change taking place in a galvanic cell? Answer is chemical energy to electrical energy. Next question, what is the anode of the given galvanic cell? Answer is Mg, magnesium. Next question, write the equation of the chemical reaction taking place at the cathode. Answer is Cu2 plus 2 electrons gives Cu. Next question, how many galvanic cells can be constructed using the metals magnesium, zinc and copper. Answer is 3. That is magnesium and zinc combination, then zinc and copper combination, and magnesium and copper combination. Next question. Observe the figure in which copper plate is immersed in AgNO3, that is silver nitrate solution. Please note reactivity of copper is greater than silver. First question. The reaction taking place is a redox reaction, and why? Answer. Because there take place both reduction and oxidation. Next question. What change can be observed on the copper plate? Answer is copper plate becomes silvery by the deposit of silver on it. Next question. Write the equation of the oxidation reaction taking place here. Cu gives C2 plus equal to 2 electrons. Next question. The diagram of a galvanic cell is given below. First question. What is the energy change taking place in a galvanic cell? Answer is chemical energy to electrical energy. Next question. At which electrode does oxidation taking place? Answer is zinc. Next question. Which metal does act as a cathode? Answer is C. Copper. Next question. If silver and copper are used as electrodes to construct the cell, which metal does act as the anode? Answer is copper. Next question. Write down the chemical equation of the reaction taking place at copper electrode in this case. Answer is Cu gives Cu2 plus 2 electrons. Next question. The figure of a galvanic cell is given below. First is identify anode and cathode. Answer is anode is zinc and cathode is copper. Next question. What will be the direction of flow of electrons? Answer is from zinc to copper. Next question. Write the chemical equation of the reaction taking place at the anode. Answer is Zn gives Zn2 plus 2 electrons. Next question. Some materials are given below. FeSO4 solution, MgSO4 solution, CuSO4 solution, magnesium rod, copper rod, silver rod, and a salt bridge. From the given material, choose the appropriate ones to construct a galvanic cell and draw the diagram of the cell. Diagram is shown in the next slide. Next question. Which is the anode of this cell? And next question. Write the chemical equation of the reaction taking place at the cathode. Answers. So the first figure shows how we can construct a galvanic cell using the given materials. B. So the anode here is Mg, magnesium. C. The chemical reaction taking place is Cu2 plus 2 electrons gives Cu. Next question. Analyze the picture below and answer the following. First question. Which ion is responsible for the color of the solution? Answer is Cu2 plus. Next question. In which beaker does the color change occur? Answer is beaker B. Next question. Write the chemical equation of the reaction that causes color change. Answer is Fe plus GuSO4 gives Cu plus FeSO4. Next question. Different galvanic cells can be constructed using the metals copper, iron, and silver. Which metal act only as cathode? Answer is silver. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, comment your doubts, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.